Hello, everyone. On today's IRS tax refund update, we will recap on where things currently stand for the week in regards to those ongoing tax refund delays. Meanwhile, overnight, we did see an update to those tax transcripts for a number of our viewers with tax cycle codes ending in 05, so we'll take a look at that, as well as checking on those still waiting on those amended tax returns to be processed, as well as the timeline for the IRS to respond to taxpayer correspondence. Now, the current tax backlog many of you are part of is holding at 9.7 million unprocessed tax returns, which is the lowest it has been in 3 months, however, still among a record high for this late in the year. Now, over 80% of those taxpayers still waiting on their refunds are paper filers, as nearly 8 million continue to wait, while an estimated 1.8 million e filers are continuing to wait for their refunds as well. Overnight, we did see an update to those tax transcripts for those with cycle codes ending in 05, as seen here. If you have not done so yet, please check to see if your transcript was one of those that had been updated in this latest transcript batch update. The next refund date set per those transcripts is August 24th. Now, some of you will not see the most up-to-date information on the refund status results tracker, so again, it is advised for you to check those tax transcripts. Now on to those amended returns that a number of our viewers have been asking about. We're continuing to see significant movement when it comes to those amended returns in the last 2 weeks. Now, currently, there's still 2.1 million unprocessed amended returns that remain, with recent processing times averaging 3 to 5 months. Now, in comparison to those who filed tax year 2020 amended returns, in some cases they waited over 13 months for theirs to be processed. Also, it has to be noted that some taxpayers were checking the Where is my refund section of the IRS website for their amended status. However, that will not work, and instead you will need to use the Where is my amended return tool to access their update. We will include a link to that in the description box below. Another reminder is for those waiting on their amended return refunds, those will be delivered by paper check and not direct deposit, even if you specified that when you were filing that amended return. As those extended delays carry on, many taxpayers are continuing to seek help in resolving their ongoing issues, and with the IRS answering only 10% of phone calls, that is often not a viable solution for most. Over the last several months, many of our viewers have actually been able to get assistance from the Taxpayer Advocate service. Now, as we've seen, it clearly has not worked in all cases, as some have not even been able to reach the TAS by phone. Another recommendation is to avoid the main TAS phone line and contact your local TAS office for assistance. Again, the results have varied depending on which office you're trying to reach. But if you're experiencing delays and have not done so already, please at least attempt to contact them to see if they can resolve your problem. We will post a link in the description box below to locate your nearest Taxpayer Advocate Service office. For those waiting to receive a response from the IRS in regards to the correspondence you sent them, you're looking at possibly waiting up until late January at this point to receive a response due to the ongoing backlog of returns and requested documentation that must be processed. So at this point, these delays will in fact stretch into next tax season. Let us know in the comments section below about your ongoing refund delays, as well as if you're part of the next refund batch. With the lack of official IRS updates, we do rely on those of you to share your situation, which helps us see the true progress is being made. In the meantime, we'll keep monitoring the situation for further developments, so make sure to click on the thumbs up and subscribe button below for future updates on this channel, and thanks for watching.